Step number 2 in the home buying process involves the first step of the financial aspect of the process. If you're buying with cash, then you're all set. The only thing that you need to do is to have a letter on your bank's letterhead signed by a bank official showing that you have funds available in the amount of the purchase price of the property that you want to buy. If you need to finance your home purchase, you need to get pre-approved for a mortgage. Talk with your real estate agent about this. They have 2 or 3 lenders that they work with on a regular basis that they trust to take care of their clients and help them make the best possible choices for their financial situation. The lender will review your finances and help you choose the right mortgage option for you and get you pre-approved for that mortgage. The lender will do a preliminary review of your finances, which will include pulling your credit and talking with you about your employment, income, and debts. Be upfront and honest with your lender about the entire financial situation. A copy of your bank's letter or pre-approval letter will be attached to any offer you make on a home. This gives the seller peace of mind that you're able to move forward with the purchase without any financial issues. You will find that a good real estate agent will only show you a house or two before they require this step to be completed. The reason for this is that they don't want to put in a lot of work only to find out that you're not qualified. Being pre-approved helps everyone who is a part of this transaction know that you are ready, willing, and able to purchase any home you make an offer on.